Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, today we have some job openings to be discussed. It's from Harman. Harman is hiring for the associate engineer and one opening from Infosys as well. So, let's see what are the eligibility criteria, like who can apply, all this detail in the digital format. Before that, you must know something that's very important because before you apply to any of the job, there are some certain things that you should always care about, and that will be I'll be discussing. So watch this video till the very end to know about it and make your career have a great kickstart. So guys, it is very important to know about all the career options available or what are the industrial expectation. Like you are in a college and before you get into a IT sector or something, you must know like what is the expectation there and you have to grow up to that, present yourself being capable of that expectation. Then only you will be getting a job. So it is very important to hear from the right person, right? So Unacademy is here with a kind of initiative that is for the career development career counseling kind of things. So in this program, you will be getting a lot many kind of advantages. Some of them you can see here itself, that is placement in top or product service companies, beating the odds to get a good placement, live problem solving over the weekend projects, and you will be getting the real life examples to solve, as well as you will be having some sessions with the HR person, the recruited person itself. So they will be sitting in your panel when you are facing an interview. So if you could hear from them itself, then you will be having a greater visibility on you, right? So this is a bright opportunity, guys, where you can make use of this and start your career. So multiple failures, and you will be having a great idea on what you want in life, which career you should have in your life, and you can channelize accordingly what you want to get into this position. Everything you will be knowing it yourself. Okay, so this is about it, and whole of this package is for 999 for 1 year. But for online study for your family, you can use the coupon code pratikkumar.125, and also that coupon code I'll be dropping it in the description along with the links to apply for all these. So they using this code, you can just have the subscription for 899. So getting these many data for 899 for a year is actually, it's a great thing. You will be getting so much things, and it's not like some single person who is not having a great idea is explaining. The right person from the industry is getting to touch with you. Okay, so that is very important. To grab these kind of opportunity is very important in life, and then comes the people who is in flying colors. So here you can see that technical extracurriculars in digital marketing is available. That is show every Saturday and Sunday after 2 p.m. and this is included in that package. So one of the leading digital marketing expert will be coming on live on the weekly basis and teaching you the digital marketing things like a practical projects and tools, what are things that you should keep in mind. It is true that you can get to know about digital marketing everything in YouTube itself, but there are certain things that is very confidential or which is not explained in YouTube. You should get the guidance from the real person itself. So that kind of things will definitely will change your career goals itself, or your career phase itself. So it is very important to know that. So know about it. Make use of these kind of opportunity. Okay. So differentiated what is that you will not find on YouTube, the live projects, interactive episodes. So these many things are very important for your career. So grab it at the earliest, go with the link that I've mentioned and register yourself and make use of this opportunity very well. Then no worries that soon after your graduation, you will be getting placed in some companies of a dream company, and which is a job that you are eagerly waiting to do. Okay, so that's about it. Now let's move on to the opening available. Guys, Harman is hiring for the associate engineer. So it's in Bangalore position, 5 lakhs per annum is the salary applicable. And it's for the freshers who have passing out in 2021 itself. Okay. So all of the things is cleared, and all the computer science related branches is what they are probably looking forward for. Associate engineer is actually, right? So circular branches and computer science branches, and as well as when it comes to this mechanical and who have the like basic knowledge in this, you can apply. Okay, they have not mentioned regarding any batch or branch criteria, so you can go for that as well. Okay, so this is the opening about it. So to apply for that, you have to go with the link that I've mentioned in the description. Then you'll be getting to land on this kind of page, and you can click on this apply button. Then complete your profile, log in and make your profile complete. And after that, they will be contacting through mail. You will be getting the test assessment link, and thereafter interview, and then you'll be getting selected. Okay, so this is a basic thing you have to go for. So this is kind of like yearly hiring type. So 2021st hiring is what they are doing in this. Okay, so Harman is such a great product based company, so you will get to do it. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. It's very important. They haven't mentioned about the great technical or great eligibility criteria. Only thing they have mentioned is 2020 first passing out. So if you are caliber enough to get into this test, all these things, then you will be placed. Okay, so this is about the opening in Harman. So next we have an opening from Infosys. Okay, so Infosys is hiring for the junior accountant with 0 years of experience. That means it is applicable for the freshers with 0 years of experience. So it is open for BCom candidates, and you can see the responsibilities. So these are things that you will be handling. So if you're ready to handle all these kind of things, then you can go with it. Then the preferred skills will be domain, banking, trade finance, receivable finance. Then general skills will be domain, finance, accounting, and report. Okay, so this is about this opening in Infosys, and the location is Pune. Now to apply for that, you can go with this apply now link and make your registration at the earliest. So this is the registration page you have to take care of. So I have mentioned some skills like this, which I have mentioned before, some technical related job. It's kind of a junior accountant job, accountant related things. So from the skills, you can just pick up those kind and mention it. So maybe you will be giving, or I mean, you have already registered to Infosys career site. So all these details will be coming there once again. So what you have to do is you have to pay for the new details. You have to edit all these details once again and give them. Okay, so this is how we have to edit for this. And whenever you apply for any of the job, even if it is similar job, you have to edit once again and give it. Okay, you have to customize this every time to particular opening. Okay, so I think all the openings that I've discussed from the Harman as well as from the Infosys very clear. So both of the job is having only minimal criteria, so grab it at the earliest. Only thing that you have to do is you have to pass your assessment test, then interview, then you get into job. They are not mentioning about any kind of certification courses, or they're not mentioning any kind of stream criteria only. So this will help you a lot to get a job. So make use of these kind of opportunities and start your career. Okay, so if you have any further doubts on the same, you can just drop it up in the comment section. We'll be looking forward for that. And also sessions regarding the video card, and welcome to the comment section. So once again, I'm reminding about the opportunity that I've introduced today at the beginning, like about the career development or career guidance thing put forwarded for the Anna Academy. It is very important to make use of these kind of opportunity, because then only you will realize yourself. It's a realization is so one of the main thing that will help you to get into the right career that you are capable of. Okay, so make use of these kind of opportunity from wherever you hear or wherever you get to know. So that's about it, guys. So until I come up with another video regarding so much kind of opportunities available around, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.